Hello everyone. As you all know, my name is Jama First Lady. Okay, I'm here to reply to this set of senators in Nigeria, those people that keep saying we should support Muhammadu Buhari with prayer, that we all Nigerians. Why I'm here is because they say all Nigerians. So when you say all Nigerian citizens should pray for Muhammadu Buhari, so you add me to it. That is why I'm here right now, to correct you. Let me tell you, I don't have any prayer to pray for Muhammadu Buhari, because he is not a leader and he is not a father, and I don't even know, and many Nigerians don't even know if Buhari is sick for real or he is just doing that for him to loot our money down to London. We don't even know. Okay, so for that simple reason, stop telling all Nigerians. When you want to say it, you say some Nigerians should stand up and pray for Buhari. Okay, and let me tell you, don't forget, Buhari is not a leader and he can never be a leader. You know what I'm saying? He is not a father and he's not ready to be a father. I will tell you why. Buhari is a man who wants to see people dying, who wants to see people starve to death, just as what is going on right now in Nigeria. Children dying of hunger, mothers don't have food, like no health care, nothing in that country. You know what I'm saying? And let me tell you something about Buhari. Buhari don't even love himself. So if you are a citizen of Nigeria, don't even have it in mind that Buhari love you or Buhari care for you. He don't care for you. He don't even know if somebody like you exists in that country. So stop being naive, supporting that man that I'm not seeing working as a president, but seeing him as a ghost. Okay, he's on existed somebody. He don't exist. To me, he don't exist because he cannot, he is not doing anything. Many of you said he's just there for some months or years, but how many years? Can you tell me? Buhari is more than 1 year, probably 2 years, I think, right now, but he's not still doing anything. But when election comes, 4 years time, more 2 years now, we are going to have another election, and then Buhari will show you guys the stuff that he made of. I'm just here to tell you this, shoot in case you don't know. Now you think Boko Haram don't kill no more? You think headsmen, yeah, they don't kill no more? Okay, good, if you really think so. Yes, they will kill again when you try to drag that post from this unexisted president. When you try to take him out of that post, you are going to see Boko Haram again. You are going to see herdsmen. Okay, those people, for goodness sake, they are the founders of those killers. Buhari loves seeing people dying. He loves seeing people weeping, crying. Okay, just the way Nigeria is today, Buhari is happy. He love it. Okay, that is how he wants you people to live. Buhari don't love himself, so he don't love that country so-called Nigeria. He don't love it. Okay, get that into your head. Somebody like Buhari is supposed to be in the northern side of Nigeria right now. He's a Fulani. He is supposed to be taking care of their cows over there. You know, all these malas are supposed to go there and take care of those places. Okay, cows, not to come here to rule a great country called Nigeria. Are you hearing me? And those senators. Okay, why I said, let me not forget, why I said Buhari is not a father and he's not ready to be a father. What a father supposed to do is that when your child cry for something and you try to look to your child and ask, okay, you are crying for this thing, son, or you know what, I don't have this thing right now like this, but I will give you this, you know, don't worry, when I have, I'm going to give it to you. This is what Buhari is supposed to do to Igbo people right now, and he is not doing it because he have that wicked heart. He wants them to make a mistake so that he will tell Hausa people who we address in Nigeria as Mala to attack those people, to kill them. He wants to see their children dying, their mother dying, bloodshed everywhere. That is what Buhari is made of. That is what he know how to do. He wants to see you cry. You see the way you people are crying for money, right? It don't shake him. Even this video I make, it will just say, oh, make them cry. You know, that is who Buhari is. So it's high time you people stand up in that country to kick away this foolish old people like Obasanjo. They just passed a rule right now that a young person can rule in Nigeria. Good for that. Do you know who is coming to rule you? Obasanjo, that useless Obasanjo's son, that criminal son, as his father, is coming to rule you. Somebody like Goodluck Jonathan's son is coming to rule you. And don't think that when a snake put to birth, gave birth. When a snake gave birth, he don't give birth to dog, rather a rabbit. He gave birth to a snake. Okay, so when those criminals' sons come into politics in Nigeria, they are still going to treat you even more worse than their father. So why can't you guys stand up and fight for what is right? And if a Buhari claimed to be a father and a leader, an educated man, Buhari is supposed to call these Igbo people to call them and ask what they want and see how he can solve this issue out. And let me tell you, Buhari, if Yaradua, who have passion for Nigeria, who were already taking Nigeria somewhere, can die, then who are you? Who are you not to die? You tell me to pray for you, you are a failure, Buhari. Okay, God is just telling you to change from your evil heart. Buhari don't love himself. Buhari, you need to love yourself. Muhammadu Buhari, you really need to love yourself. Okay, you just tell the Boko Haram to pin down. Then when anybody come to drag post with you, they should strike, because una be the same. They are all the same. Boko Haram, Hertzmel, those people. What's it called? Yusuf, and the other one, Kaduna State governor. All of those people, they are the founders of those killers, because this is what they read. This is what they are known for. Buhari's kill people that say the truth. Number one to say Fela. You see, Fela stand for the truth, and Buhari killed that man. And many of you have forget this so soon. You see, so this man, you people really have to do something. You have to stand up. You see people that are ruling Nigeria. You see somebody like Tinubu. You see somebody that said Yaku Danoje, that useless man. You see him. That man supposed to be in my state, Edo State, right now, pushing wheelbarrow. You see the Fashola supposed to be a DJ. You know, he also opened studio. You know what I'm saying? Those people supposed to do something else different from leading people, different from leading country called Nigeria, a great country. You know what I'm saying? So my fellow Nigerians, I just want to tell you with this opportunity that with all the money we have, we are supposed to have good healthcare. We are supposed to have good road. We are supposed to have light 24 hours. You see here, Jamie, where I live, they don't even have money than us in Africa. But these people embezzle you. They steal away your future. They steal away your pride. But you are still there to follow these people, to come. You will see many people will come across this video. They were like, oh, why are you talking to our president like that? Why are you? Buhari is not your president. He is never ready to be your president. He is looting your money to London. All the name of he is sick. He have never addressed you as person. He have never addressed any Nigerian. He don't give speech because you people value nothing to him. I'm just telling you the truth. You people value nothing, and I don't value anything. So it not say necessary for them to explain anything to una. So that is what Buhari. But Buhari, if you are tired and you don't want to change from this your evil act, pack your bag and baggages and go and lead your cow over there in northern Nigeria. Go and start leading cows. Okay? So stop disturbing innocent Nigerians. Okay, and look for something to do about this Biafra, these Igbo people. Go with peace. Don't wait for blood for them to make a mistake so that you can kill their children, kill the mothers and all that before you will react. You are supposed, as a leader, as a man that need peace, you're supposed to call these people now and settle them and know what they want, the pain that they are passing through. Feel their pain. So don't do things with violence, Buhari. You need to change. Buhari, you need to change. You are full of evil, Buhari. You are full of, you don't even have love for your wife, nobody. You don't care for nobody. So why will in Nigeria vote somebody like Buhari into power? This cricket, this green snake under the green grass, who just tell Boko Haram to cease, to wait. If when someone come to challenge with him, then you people can kill them. So Buhari, for me, as they say, all Nigeria citizens should pray for you. That is why I'm here. I have no prayer for you. I only pray for those who have a good intention for Nigeria. So I don't pray for criminals like you. I don't pray for, you said they just found some money in Ikoyi and other places, and those politician parties that we get some billions of dollars from. Where are those money? Why did you use it for? Why didn't you bring this money to feed those children that are starving to death right now in the streets of Nigeria? You are not using it for them, Muhammadu Buhari. You are using that money. You store it. You are looting that money down to London, looting it all part of country, doing investments for your own children, and you and the other so-called governors that are working around you. Nigerians, if you know you are a young Nigerian, you have your PDA and so ever what you call it, my brother, stand for your right. If at all you don't even have it, stand for your right. Freedom of speech is allowed. Let me tell you what you Nigerian people lack that you don't know. Your money is supposed to give you, when you are sick, you're supposed to go to hospital without paying nothing. Then like here in Europe, I have 4 children. Their life is very secure. We go to hospital when it's needed and you don't pay nothing. My husband, you know what happened? When your husband is working, they even take the money away in a way that it will not even affect your family. You know what